Hi guys, welcome to Fit Doc with GSMS. This is one of the GSMS members, Michelle. She's my daughter. My name is Tara. I'm a physician and I also am a fitness fanatic. I love working out and exercising and all of that good stuff. So today we are going to be doing a really cool video. It is a HIIT workout, high intensity interval training workout. 10 minutes. It's good for beginners. It's good for people that live in apartments because it can be modified to basically have no jumping, so no noise, and also low impact, so it's easy on your joints. But it's a great workout. It'll get your heart rate going and burn some fat. So if you guys are ready, we'll get started. Okay. So we're ready for our 10-minute HIIT workout. We're going to do 5 different exercises. We're going to repeat that cycle twice. It's going to be 45 seconds of work with 15 seconds of rest. And during the rest period, I will show you the next exercise. Okay, our first exercise is going to be high knees. That can be done jumping or without jumping. Michelle's going to do the jumping version, and I'm going to do the low impact version. So, if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and start with high knees. This is low impact, and this is jumping. So we're going to keep going here, low impact. And you could add in some arms if you want to, or you can just have your arms by your side. Either way works just fine. So I'm going to add some arms to add in a little bit more exercise, okay? A little bit more intensity, get the heart rate up a little bit higher. So keep going, you guys are doing awesome. We're almost halfway done with this one. Keep going, you're doing great. Keep those knees up high. Jumping if you want to, not jumping if you don't want to. Either way is perfect. Got about a little less than 10 seconds to go on this one. Awesome. Really great. And stop. You're going to rest for 15 seconds, okay? I'm going to show you the next exercise. This is lunge skaters, okay? So just like this. This is the non-jumping form. If you want to jump, you got to jump. Jump or not jump. It's totally up to you.
Okay, that's it.
All right. So we're going to go ahead and start. So this is the lunge skater. Alright, you guys are doing so good. Really getting that heart rate up, and during the rest we really feel it coming back down a little bit. That's awesome for fat burning. Michelle's doing a good job too. We're doing really great. Such a good workout in just 10 minutes. Alright, we're almost done. You got a little under 10 seconds left. Okay, now the next exercise is going to be jumping jacks. You can do regular high impact jumping jacks, or you can step it out like this. Either way is perfectly fine, okay? I'm going to go ahead and do the low impact version. Michelle will do the high impact version. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. 45 seconds, okay? Nice day here today. Beautiful weather for exercising outside. Love it. You guys are doing awesome, okay? You're 15 seconds in. Wonderful. Okay, just about 15 more seconds to go of exercise, and then we're going to be resting. Heart rate should be getting pretty high, especially if you're doing the jumping. If you're doing the low impact one, you're still getting it up there, especially lifting your arms up. They're not quite as high. Alright, rest. Okay, good. You guys are doing so good. The next exercise is burpees, okay? Everyone loves burpees, right? 2 ways to do burpees. The traditional way, which I assume you all guys know. Michelle feels like doing those, she can. I'm not going to do those, okay? We're going to adjust the camera in just a minute. So you guys will do step out burpees. Step out burpees look like this. You go down, out, in, and up. Out, in, up. Down. You're just stepping out. They're called step out burpees. Okay, you ready? Let's go ahead and start. Got 45 seconds. Either way is perfectly fine, okay? Doing great. Keep it going. You're about 15 seconds in. Wonderful. Just a little bit more to go. This is our fourth exercise. So after this, we only have one more to go. And then we're going to repeat the whole thing, okay? Awesome. 5 more seconds. Okay. All right, rest for 15 seconds. Michelle's pretty tired. All right. Hi. Go down a little bit more. Next exercise is the plank. And we're going to touch each shoulder, okay? Alternate touching shoulders. It goes like this, okay? So 1, 2. Like this, okay? 45 seconds, okay? Ready? Go ahead and start. Awesome. I really feel my heart rate getting up there. I hope you guys do too. This is great. Such a good exercise. It is really wonderful for fat burning and getting you in good shape, okay? You don't need much time. 15 seconds, 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes is all you need to do. Especially when you're first starting. About 15 more seconds to go in this one, okay? Almost done with it. Alright, 2 and 1. Go ahead and rest, okay? Next exercise is back to the beginning of it. It's high knees. So we're resting for 15 seconds. High knees again, okay? Just the high knees, just like that, or jumping. Either way. Alright, ready? Let's go ahead and start with the high knees, okay? And nice, your heart rate should really be up there, breathing a little bit faster. That's great. Again, you can add the arms if you want to. Keep the arms by your side if you don't. Either way is perfectly fine. This is such a great workout. You don't need any equipment. All you need is yourself and your body weight. That's it. A mat if you're outside or on a hard surface if you feel like you need it.
10 more seconds.
10 more seconds to go. You guys are doing so good. Scorching some fat. Okay, we're gonna rest. Okay, Michelle, what was our next exercise? You remember? The skater lunge, okay? It's the skater lunge, so we're gonna do that. 5 more seconds of rest, okay? Ready? Go ahead and start it, okay? Jump if you want to, don't jump if you don't want to. Once you get the arms going, it really does bring your heart rate up higher. It's more of a workout, okay? Like you just can't add the arms, don't. You can add a jump, like Michelle's jumping, that's perfect. If you don't want to add a jump, that's also perfect. Alright. You guys just got about 15 more seconds of this one. And then we just have 3 more exercises. Alright. And rest, okay? Next exercise was jumping jacks. So, we're going to do the jumping jacks next, alright? Rest, bring that heart rate down, drink some water. Walk if you need to, stay completely still if you need to. Either way, I kind of like to walk, move around a little bit. Okay, we'll start jumping jacks, okay? Remember, I'm doing the low impact form. Michelle's doing the traditional ones, okay? Either way is perfect. All depends on your fitness level, your fitness journey, and what you feel like for that day too. You watching the clock, Michelle?
Yep.
All right. I think we're a little over halfway with this exercise, and we just have 2 more to go. That's it. All right, 10 more seconds. And then we get that 15-second rest. So well deserved. All right, rest for 15 seconds, okay? seconds, okay? Next exercise is the plank, okay? So rest it out, drink up water, wipe your sweat down. Do what you need to do to get a little bit recovered, bring your heart rate down a little bit. Pause the video if you need to. You need more than 15 seconds, but ready to work your shoulders. Ready, go ahead and start. Awesome. Such a good core workout here. In our abs. Working our shoulders. 30 more seconds to go. That's it. That's it. And then you'll be done in this 10 minutes. Awesome. Fat burning. Beginner HIIT workout, okay? Looks like about 15 more seconds of this. Almost done. And stop, okay. Very good, okay you guys. That was so great. Go ahead and sit down, we'll do a little stretch, just a little bit of stretching. Good, stretch your legs out if you need to. Lean forward onto one side, and stretch it out on the other side. Cross your legs in front, crisscross applesauce, take a big deep breath in and out. Bring it down through the center, towards your chest, blow it out. One more deep breath in and out like that. Blow it out as you're bringing it down. Perfect, good job you guys. We'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember always to warm up and cool down after any exercise. That includes this one. If you need more cool down time, go ahead and do it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Fit Doc with GSMS, as well as our other channels that you can check out with GSMS. Thank you guys. See you next time.